Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have it, you will want to pop out the SIM tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, right where the pin is holding right now, and simply push the pin in. The tray pops out, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you can see we have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card, each spot being dedicated for said card. So there we go. Once you have your cards in place, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, just to kind of demonstrate this. Flip it over, they aren't protruding from the tray, so that's what you want. And then insert it back into the phone. And the card should start working immediately, so let's see, we should be getting reception in a second. I guess there it is. Yep, we have bars now, so our reception is here. Just unlock the device. And there's also a notification for the SD card as well. So both of them are working just fine. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.